We're getting you some more breaking news on the very same story that we are going to be keeping it as a big focus through the day. As far as Supreme Court resolution on Pahalgam attack is concerned, they have maintained that it's a diabolical act of mindless violence, a shaken conscience of all. Stark reminder of brutality and inhumanity. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time as far as Supreme Court's resolution on Pahalgam attack is concerned. They have maintained that it's a case of a diabolical act of a mindless violence, shaken conscience of all, and it's a stark reminder of brutality, inhumanity. My colleague Harish is joining me right now to get us more details. Harish, a very strong worded statement as far as the resolution from the top court is concerned on the Pahalgam attack. They are particularly calling it a case of brutality, inhumanity. Everybody's coming together in this hour of crisis, and solidarity is where the Supreme Court is also leading by example.
Yes, that's right. Very important. Supreme Court has passed the resolution. All the judges held a full court meeting and expressed shock and has condemned the brutality. And the Supreme Court also spoke about the inhumanity and the brutality, and expressed deep anguish and condemned the cowardly terrorist act it called. And it's also during the day, in the afternoon, there was a 2-minute silence. All the judges, litigants, court staff, registry staff, all stood for 2 minutes in paying respect to the victims, and the Supreme Court also reminding about the cowardly act, also talking about the brutality and inhumanity. Let me read out the resolution for the benefit of our viewers. It says, this diabolical act of mindless violence has shaken the conscience of all and is a stark reminder of the brutality and inhumanity that terrorism unleashes. Supreme Court of India pays its respectful tribute to the innocent lives snuffed out brutally and prematurely, while also expressing its heartfelt condolence to the bereaved families. May the departed soul rest in peace, and may the who are injured recover soon. The nation stands with the victims and their families in this hour of indescribable grief. The attack on tourists who were merely enjoying the natural beauty of the crown jewel of India, that is Kashmir, is undoubtedly an affront to the values of humanity and the sanctity of life, and this court strongly condemns the same. So very, very strongly worded resolution passed at a full court meeting of all the judges, and this is what has been said in the handout, the media handout, which has been released just now. So the Supreme Court judges also condemning the cowardly act, the shocking, the terrible terrorist act on tourists at the Pahalgam meadows, which has claimed 28 lives. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harish, a strong worded statement over there as a resolution Supreme Court that has put out against this carnage that was witnessed yesterday in Pahalgam, which claimed 28 lives. Thank you for getting us all the details. But